Welcome to our channel Maths Bench. Everybody first in this bench. Right? Thank you for choosing my video to watch. This is a video to students who are preparing for the 10th class exams or studying 10th class. So please share to your friends so that they can watch the videos. It helps to improve their score. Okay, while late, let's start our class related to the trigonometry, some useful problems to you. I hope you like very well. Right, let's start the problems. After completing of every problem, pause the video, practice the problem, later go for the next one. Okay, now let's discuss this problem. Prove that root to 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. We know this is LHS part. We have to prove as RHS part. When you are solving the trigonometry part, we have to watch first LHS part and also RHS. What you have to prove, what is our destination, we have to watch first. Later you can start using the you have to first select a proper path how to reach to the RHS part, and using of that path you have to solve the problem. Let's see what is the method here. Easy method. We have to take here LHS part. We have to take LHS part. Now we have to take LHS part. Root 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. We learned in the rationalizations in 9th class that we have to use here denominator has a negative, change it as positive and multiply with the numerator and denominator. 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is given. For that I am multiplying here negative, so 1 plus cos theta, and here also 1 plus cos theta. So square root of same terms 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, same terms are there. 1 plus cos theta whole square by a plus b into a minus b. So you can write here a square minus b square. A value is equal to a square minus b square. A value 1, b value cos theta. Now what we can write? 1 plus cos theta whole square is the numerator by denominator 1 square value 1 minus cos theta whole square is equal to cos square theta. Now root 1 plus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta value you can write sin square theta. We know the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now transposing cos value, so remaining value sin square theta is equal to plus transpose here minus. So 1 minus cos square theta we can write sin square theta, that we applied here. Right? Now numerator have square and denominator also have square, so we can write whole square. 1 plus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now square root to cancel. Now 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Now first value is equal to 1, numerator by denominator sin theta, plus second term lo first one cos theta by denominator sin theta. We know 1 by sin theta, reciprocal of sin theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta is equal to RHS part. We can write the conclusion as LHS is equal to RHS. Here you have to memorize 1 by sin theta, reciprocal of sin theta is equal to cosecant theta, cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta, and 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. This point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. Those you have to recall, then you can able to understand the problem. Okay, same model we can go for the next problem. Now same type problem. Show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 plus 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. How can we solve this problem? Now here if you take in the previous problem you taken LHS, we calculated to reach RHS. But in this problem easy to calculate. First we have to take RHS and you can go to LHS part. In the previous method you can follow same. Okay na? Let's start how to solve the problem. We have to take here not LHS, you can take RHS. This will be easy method to you, I hope. So RHS part 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So here denominator value plus is there, so we have to multiply with minus. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. The term you have to multiply with 1 minus cos theta, and here also you have to multiply with same term 1 minus cos theta. Now we can observe 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta both are same in the numerator. So we can write 1 minus cos theta whole square by what will be the denominator? A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A value is equal to 1 and b value is equal to cos theta. Now the numerator value 1 minus cos theta whole square by denominator 1 whole square 1 cos theta whole square is equal to cos square theta. As our discussion, we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We need 1 minus cos square plus cos square transpose minus cos square. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square, or 1 minus cos square you can write sin square theta. So 1 minus cos theta whole square same by 1 minus cos square denominator we can substitute as sin square theta. Numerator have square here, denominator also square, so we can write whole square 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. For both terms we are writing as whole square. Now what will be the first term is here 1 in the numerator, so 1 by sin theta minus second one cos is there, so cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now we know 1 by sin theta, reciprocal of sin theta is equal to cosecant theta. Already we discussed in the previous problem only. Minus cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. We know sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Similarly, it's opposite, reciprocal. Cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. Here given cos theta by sin theta, so cot theta whole square. So cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. This is our requirement. We can see in the problem cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. This is called here LHS. So RHS is equal to LHS. In the previous problem you have taken LHS and we solved to RHS. Now in this problem we started RHS, we went to the LHS. Any method is suitable, but in this case this method is suitable, so I have explained in this model. If you know any other method you can follow that method. Okay, let's solve one more problem in the same rationalization problem, right? Now the next model, same. Here given 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A. I hope you can identify what you have to take, LHS or RHS. Definitely LHS, because here this is in the fractional part, this you can rationalize easily. Okay, now we can get this one. So you have to take the LHS part. What is LHS? 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is given in the problem, right? We have to rationalize the denominator. 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is given. So for the given term you have to multiply with its rational factor. 1 minus is here, so with plus you have to multiply. So 1 plus sin A you have to multiply, Do you understand? I think you can. So 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A both are same terms. So 1 plus sin A whole square by here A plus B into A minus B, or A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. So what we can, numerator value same, there is no change. Till previous problems also no change. Here A square minus B square, A value 1, B value is equal to sin A. 1 whole square equal to 1, sin A whole square is equal to sin square A. So the numerator value again same, 1 minus sin A whole square by, as our discussion, 1 minus cos square sin square. So 1 minus sin square A you can write cos square A. So the relation 1 minus sin square A you can write cos square A. So here write cos square A. Numerator have square, denominator also have square. So we have to apply whole square for the term. So 1 plus sin A by cos A whole square. Square root cancel, and the remaining terms what we have now, root cancel, no? So 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to, first term is equal to 1 by cos A, second term is equal to sin A by cos A. We know reciprocal of cos A, 1 by cos A is equal to secant A, and sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. This again 1 by cos A, reciprocal of cos A is equal to secant A. Do you know reciprocal of sin A? Reciprocal of sin A is equal to cosecant A. Right? Again here sin A by cos A is equal to what, you know, tan A, and its reciprocal, I mean cos A by sin A is equal to cot A. Memorize these four which are helpful maybe in the any other problems. Reciprocal of cos secant, reciprocal of sin cosecant, sin by cos tan, cos by tan cot. So 1 by cos is secant, sin by cos this is tan. So secant A plus tan A, this is called here RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Right? This is the problem. I hope you can understand easily. Right? Now the next problem, show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. Right? Let's take the LHS part. I am choosing the easiest models. If you know any other model, you can follow that model. So try to listen and understand this model if you don't know. Let's practice. 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is the LHS part. Right? Now what we can, here we know cot is reciprocal of tan theta. So cot A you can write as 1 by tan A. Requirement is in terms of tan. So already tan is here, this cot is no need. So we are converting in terms of tan. So cot you can write 1 by tan. So what we can write, 1 minus tan square A by this cot you can write 1 by tan square A minus 1. Y square, in the term it is square, so I have written here also square. So numerator is again same, there is no change. 1 minus tan square A by denominator we have to do the rational LCM. So the no denominator is 1. So don't watch here, don't see here numerator, see only the denominator. So 1 and tan square LCM is here, tan square A. Like cross multiplication, 1 into 1, 1. Tan square into 1 is equal to tan square A. Right? This is the numerator and this is the denominator. So denominator is fraction, that will be reciprocal and gets into. So what we can write, 1 minus tan square A into reciprocal of this term we can write tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. Here this is 1 minus tan square a. Here denominator also 1 minus tan square a. Both terms gets cancelled. Now the remaining value we can write tan square a. This is our requirement RHS. Right? Now if you getting any doubts in solving the problem, please watch again from the starting onwards the video, then you can able to understand each and every problem. And one more thing, please watch all my videos so that you can understand and you can go to the exam confidently, right? Okay, thank you for watching my videos.